A super important step before putting this battery back in the vehicle is it needs to be balanced. If it's not balanced correctly, it'll throw you a check hybrid system light and you'll be pulling this thing right back out. So before we put this foam tape on here, did a quick balance of this, and I found just using some lead solder wire, it's lead so it's super conductive, and just looping across from all the red positives, looping across to all the black negatives, and then you can just tie them in together on both ends. It's kind of tedious. It's lead, so if you touch the wrong spot, it'll just arc and pretty much melt it. But as long as you do that, it's pretty cheap, and then when you're done, you can take the nuts back off and just roll the wire back up and not be out anything. I've done it with steel wire, like chicken wire, but it makes kinks in the wire and it pretty much ruins the wire. This way works pretty well. You'll need to do that on the front side. You'll also need to do it on the back side. Just be very careful not to short the two out. Very important, you'll just leave it set for 24 hours and make sure all your positives are run together, all your negatives are run together. After 24 hours, you can pull all these nuts off. Thing's about 24 hours away from going back in the vehicle, and we'll see how it does. So got the battery put back in. Driven the car around for 3 or 4 days now, and the battery seems to be doing great. It's staying at a solid 80-90% pretty much the whole time I'm driving it. So I'd say we're back in the clear. Haven't had any issues, any hiccups. So I think we're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below.